Position the worktop face up and mark out the sink centre using masking tape if a dark colour. Ensuring the jig handing corresponds with the desired sink handing, centralise the jig and clamp in place using 4 clamps, 1 at each corner. Place and fix the inner template with hot melt and push down to act as a support for the router. Cut into the face of the worktop with a hand router, fitted with a 30mm bush guide, cutting in 3 stages of 4mm depth increments. Remove cutout piece. Finish the cutout inner edge using a palm sander with 240 grit paper. Sand the internal radii by hand with a sanding block and 240 grit paper. Finally finish the sanding process with a Scotch-Brite pad. First check the sink fits by assembling a dry fit. Place the inverted sink on the underside of the cutout to confirm its centres when viewed from the face of the worktop and mark around the outline using masking tape if a dark colour. Place and mark where the sink clips are to be secured. Using selected drill bit, pilot hole to a depth of 9mm. Place the spreading dowel insert into the hole and tap flush. Spreading dowels should always be used rather than the standard sink clips only, to avoid screwing through the material, unless adding packing blocks to secure to. Secure sink clips with roofing bolts as a dry fit. Once satisfied with the final fit and clip location, remove all clips and the sink in preparation for final installation. Using denatured alcohol, thoroughly clean the 2 joining faces of the sink lip and on the underside of the worktop around the cut area. Apply clear silicone to the worktop. Position the sink, applying gentle pressure all round, ensuring the silicone squeezes out on both the back and face edges of the cutout, creating a solid bond. Centralise the sink and then tighten the sink clips. Turn over the worktop. Scrape off any excess silicone and clean with denatured alcohol. It is recommended to allow 24 hours before using the sink. Mark out the groove centre lines, ensuring they are parallel to the front edge of the worktop. Centralise the required groove in the jig over the marked out centre line and firmly clamp the jig in place. Use a hand router fitted with a 30mm bush guide and radius cutter. Accurately set the plunge depth to 6mm. Starting from the farthest point of the sink cutout, plunge the router and run smoothly along the jig to create the groove. Repeat steps to complete the remaining grooves. Carefully hand sand the drainer grooves with 240 grit sandpaper. Apply linseed oil for a final finish.